Hello architects and engineers. So in this video we will going to see how we can make a 30-meter deep and with 5 bays gable shed with um, two scenarios enclosed and with gable and wall open. So let's start. We will go with the floor option and the units will be metric, roof type will be cable, and we will go for the truss option for now. And the roof pitch will be 15 degrees. The width is 30. Wall height will be 6 meters. And number of bays 5 and 8 meter base spacing. Let's go. We'll apply some columns at the end wall. And yeah. Okay, so now we will go to the walls tab and select all and we'll remove the middle walls. So now we will add some doors. They can be roller door or we can add a roller door at the front wall first. Dimensions will be same and let's add some doors on the side walls. Okay, let's add some door on the right side. We'll add a pier door first and in the bay 4 we can add a few roller doors. Of dimension 5 by 5 like this, and let's go add few more doors. On the third bay it will be a roller door and the dimension will be height will be 5 and the width will also be 5 like this. As you can see, this is how you can make a gable frame, and if you want to keep the right side closed and if you want to remove this front wall, then you can just go to the main menu and open the front walls tab and just click the at the front wall. It will remove the wall from the front gable end and we can have a 3-side enclosed gable shed.